the line. Running down over the C&O road, just 20 minutes behind. Came running into Seville, headquarters on the line. Receiving from very strict orders from the station just behind. George's mother came to him with a bucket on her arm. She says, "My darling boy, be careful how you run. There's many a man has lost his life just trying to make up lost time. But if you run your engine right, you'll get there just on time." But around the bend she darted, and against the rock she smashed. Upside down the engine turned, and George's breast was crushed. His head was against the firebox door. The flames, they rose so high. I'm glad I was born for an engineer on the C&O road to die. The doctor said to Georgie, "My darling boy, be still. Your life may yet be saved if that is God's blessed will." "Oh no," says George, "that will not do. I mean to die so free. I want to die for the engine I was 143. The doctor said to Georgie, "Your life cannot be saved." Murdered on the railroad and laid in a lonesome grave. His head was covered all over with blood. His eyes you could scarcely see. The very last words that George